Don't sue me! If you're watching this, I'm dead. To the company, that is, because I'm leaving. Bye! Not yet though, ha? Gotcha.
Got him.
Got him good. Hello, it is me, Keely. I'm building, finally. It's only been 2 years in the making. I've been working off a laptop for a long time. And it's time I finally grow up and build a desktop PC of my own. My father would be so proud. Anyway, I'm building finally. Let's go. This is why Sarah writes scripts for us. So for the motherboard, I went with the B650 AeroG Creator motherboard. I picked this one because it's pretty and I wanted an all-white build. For the CPU, we've gone with an AMD 7700X. I actually said that right, so I'm really proud of myself. So I picked this bad boy because after the video we did on editing PCs for my work PC, when I discovered that the 76 wasn't really that big of an upgrade, I decided for my personal build, I wanted something better than what I had here. This is really pretty solid for editing. I compared it. I actually did my research, so shut up, internet losers. I know what I'm talking about. What's wrong with me? I'm gonna blame it on the fact that I haven't finished my first coffee of the day. It's not the reason, I'm just a mess. That attacked me, did you see that? That was assault. I'm going with 64 gig because 64 gig is better than 32 gig. And some people are like, it's not that much of a difference. Yes, it is. It actually is. It's like 3 minutes faster when it comes to rendering. 3 minutes faster when it comes to rendering than going for 32 gig. I'm also going with the Tough RAM XD in white and 600 mega transfers. I said it right. Normally I say megabits, but I said it right. Look, I'm so much grown. Look how freaking pretty it is though. Ugh. It is that way. You know when you think something's gonna be funny and then you get there and you're like, oh my God, I'm really not funny. That's me right now with this video. I gotta blow my nose.
Okay. I'll just zoom in.
Don't zoom in! Oh my gosh, guys! For storage, I've got two M.2s. This is the first one of my storage. I also have a hard drive, but we're just talking about the M.2s right now. Western Digital SN 750. 1 in 500 for my OS and files, and like programs, not files, programs. And then 1 terabyte for active projects, so like whatever project I'm working on at the time, probably games as well. And then my hard drive is a 2 terabyte HDD. That's Seagate. I'm just gonna talk about it now. Seagate hard drive, 2 terabyte. This is for like my backup storage. I'll probably put like photos and stuff on this, stuff I don't have to access regularly, but still wanna keep accessible. Also,
is the word you're looking
archive, that's the word, my project archive. It's heavy. I'm using the Thermaltake TH240 cooler because it's pretty and it works and it does the job, and I wanted air cooling, not air cooling, water cooling. And it's an all-in-one. However, I'm changing the fans for Tough fans because they're PWM. And I like Tough fans and they're really good and they're really quiet. 10 out of 10. I'm gonna do the water block now because we've got the fans and the radiator and so. Don't forget to take this off.
Oh, no.
That could have been so cool. Alright, I'm gonna do a crisscross. Oh, that feels like too much now.
It's very one-sided.
It'll spread. Sarah, is this too much?
It's very one-sided.
What is that? If you spell applesauce with a B, you can call it applesauce. You can't see anything I'm doing.
It's probably for the best.
Probably. Underneath. This is really hard the way it's been mounted, to be honest. For my front fans, I'm using Swafan EX. I'm using the EX5 fans because they're pretty and because the cable management is super, super easy with the SWA fans. Just getting to like install them and plug one cable into the control box. Genius. Ready? 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 I'm sure you've already seen this, ready? Yeah, take that. So confident.
Completely missed.
Okay, so our fans are done. Hooray. They're in. I probably should have done that facing the camera. Okay, fans are done. I've got my SWA fan front. We've rotated the radiator, that's the word. So for the power supply, we are using a GF3 in 750 watt. It is overpower for what I'm really gonna need, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. Okay, now we're doing the power supply. The card only has 3 minutes of recording left, so I have to be quick. Go in. Why are you going in? I said quick, damn you. Here's you. He's in. For the graphics card, I have gone with a 4070 Ti. It is the Gigabyte GeForce RTX Aero card, and it's gorgeous, and I'm very excited. And I definitely have not already unboxed this downstairs at my desk before we started filming 2 days ago. It's all gonna be new, oh my god. Here it is for the cameras. Isn't she beautiful? Oh, my neck. Oh, look at that juicy boboosy. Juicy. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you liked it, do leave a like. Let us know in the comments what you enjoyed the most. If I was good, if I was bad, probably bad. Don't tell me, I'm fragile. Goodbye, it was lovely knowing you, the viewer, through the camera. They'll see you in the next one. I won't, because I'm getting out of here. Bye. This is why I told you to write an outro.